Okay, so guys, today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing on this device over here, or in fact this one here, which is the K&F Concept Autofocus mount adapter. So we're going to be doing a quick unboxing as well as a first impressions, quality check and so on, fitment, finish, and just give you my overall first impressions on this adapter. Okay, so this is the packaging that it comes in. K&F Concept EF to FX. That's your manual. That's your USB charging cable. That's basically to update the adapter, should there be any firmware updates or releases in the future. That's a little Allen key to unmount from the adapter the section over here. That's the adapter over here, and that's your adapter. And that's about it that you get inside the box. So currently on the market there's only 3 adapters that I know of. That is the EF to FX autofocus adapter, being K&F is one of them, as well as the Voltrox, and then the popular Fringer Pro 2 which is apparently the better option, but priced, this one is basically, it's priced better. Now on my particular unit, what I've noticed is that when when it mounts onto the camera's body itself, it fits like a glove. However, when you mount the lens to the actual mount side, there is some rotational play, very minimal, but there is some rotational play. When I compare it to my EF to RF adapter, the little sliding mechanism, the release mechanism on this device, it's basically, there's a cutout, and this little mechanism has nowhere to go, therefore it's snug. So what I just wish was that K&F could have, just the release mechanism, to me there's some quality control issues there on my particular unit, but it doesn't really affect anything that I've noticed so far, but just that little bit of rotational play. And I've noticed it on all of the lenses that I'm using on this currently, which is the 24mm Sigma Art 1.4, the Canon EFS 17 to 55, and then the 50mm 1.4 EF as well. There's some play on all of them. Yeah, maybe it's just something that maybe it's just my unit, I'm not sure, but that's just something for you guys to look out for when purchasing it. Yeah, I'm not too sure if I'm going to send mine back for that, but so far, the focus and so on has been pretty good or decent enough. Okay guys, so that's my first impressions and unboxing on this autofocus lens adapter by K&F. If you guys have any questions regarding this adapter, please put them down in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. And I'll be running some future tests on this adapter as well, autofocus tests in video, as well as perhaps in photography. But yeah, that's my overall initial impressions on this K&F autofocus lens adapter for Fuji.